Good evening to all. Today it is 27/4/2025. Time is roughly around 9 o'clock. Sorry for the delay for the weekly forecast video. And first of all, prayer to all the people, those who lost their life in the terror attack. And let's pray to God that their families, their friends, their relatives will get a lot of strength and courage from the God to face this kind of terror in the future life, and let them live peacefully. Okay, now let's go to the weekly forecast webinar. As I already told that 29th, we already predicted 2 months before the video is already available that the possibility of all-time high on or before May 21st, and we predicted this date on March 24th when the market was at the bottom. There is a scenario which says that we will make an all-time high on or before May 21st, 2025. But it has done, the Bank Nifty and the Fin Nifty has done it on exactly on 21st April. So you need to understand the date of 21. We predicted 21st May, but the all-time high is happened on 21st April itself. But the Nifty is yet to do that, but the Bank Nifty, because of ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, all this was flagged left, right and center, and the Bank Nifty was able to manage the all-time high, taking the all-time high exactly on 21st April. Okay, now based on yesterday's closing, Bank Nifty closed exactly at the resistance based on the pitchfork and based on the purity of breakout. Now we are going to see that. I don't want to go very deep into the chart and all, just 2-3 charts, and then we will go to the numbers. Okay, now let's go to the chart. Okay, now this is Bank Nifty. So if you see here, it took the support in the weekly in the fortune signals here, and from there it moved, and this is the pitchfork top. This is the extension of the pitchfork. The fork ends here. After that, the extension, because last time it came down, took the support from the actual fork, and then exactly it went and touched the top of the fork here, and from there it came down all the way down and took the support from the fortune signals. Actually, it should have taken a support here. It should have taken a support here in this blue color line, and again from here it went and touched the high again. So this is a crucial resistance area when it comes to pitchfork. Now let's talk about the purity of breakout. So now the high is here, the recent high is here, and the recent low is here. Based on the technical perspective, people will say if it close above this, it's a breakout. It's a breakout. But according to this, it closed above that breakout level yesterday, that is last week. So for them it is bullish. But this is not the purity of breakout. This is not called breakout. This is a fake breakout. So now how to identify the purity? So now if you open this, so there is a system here. If I open this, when I connect this high, when I connect this low, it clearly says this is the decider for the purity of breakout, which is 56064. Any close above this on a weekly closing basis, above this decider, then the target is here. If it doesn't close above this because of the resistance by pitchfork and the resistance by the POB, purity of breakout, possibility that it may even come down. Now where it will come down? Possible low may happen. If it is not able to cross the high, then the possible is here, which is around 52,389 to 51,912. If it is not able to cross above this high on a weekly closing basis, the target for Bank Nifty is this, on the lower side. But as of now, nothing to worry, but this is what it is showing. Now let's go to Nifty. So now if you go to Nifty, Nifty also, it closed above the, Ichimoku high. So possibility that because of this gap up, it has to come down and take the support here, and from there it will go. Otherwise, it will try to come down here at this minute point, and from there it will try to take it. But if it closes below, again we are in deep trouble. Let's see how the market is going to work, and the date is roughly around 5th of May. Okay, 5th of May. So now again, if you take the period of breakout, it clearly says it is at the resistance. Based on this high and this low, the POB says the resistance is here. So now if I go inside this, you will know the line which we marked is this particular line and this particular line. So if I map these two lines, the high and the low, this decider number and the O&M number will be automatically decided. So now in case if I change it, then everything will change. So now this is the high and this is the low. So exactly it is at the resistance. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty is at the resistance. So you need to be little cautious. Now coming to the positional trade for this expiry, we already told two numbers which is very crucial, and when it comes to 15 minutes, now I will close this POV. Now let's open fortune signals. As of now, in 15 minutes, it is in genuine sell. So there is no question of buying this market unless and until you get again a genuine buy in 15 minutes time frame. But as of now, nothing to worry, because in 1 hour, both Bank Nifty and Nifty is at the support. So there is no problem at all. As of now, there is no problem. But when it comes to numbers, this is where it is showing some kind of a weakness when it comes to May series. So now you know that the next very important day is 29th April and 30th April, which is very crucial. So we need to watch that, whether 29th April or 30th April, where the trend is going to change. That we will talk about when 29th is happening. Now let's go to the, tomorrow I will give you this number for the coming week, so you can use it, and from 29th to 10th I am not available. I will be going abroad, so next 10 days there won't be any videos, but I will try to trade with you even though when I am in abroad. Okay, now let's go to the points. So we clearly said on Thursday that Bank Nifty numbers converge. Be ready for 750,000 points in a single day in the next 2 days time. Exactly, Bank Nifty got rejected in this number, in this convergence number, and gave roughly around 900 points. So the convergence got over since it has given 900 points from the number. Now for coming week, Nifty numbers got converged. Now all the numbers are red. If it is in red, unless and until two numbers come to bullish, this market is on sell on rise only. Kindly go and watch my last month daily forecast video. Once this two number became bullish, it gave a solid move in the month of April. We predicted that April month is bullish April month is bullish for the entire indices, and last month it worked beautifully. Now, when it comes to May month, the seasonality says it is bullish to sideways. Only in 2025, the January month bearish to sideways, February 100% bearish, March bearish to sideways, and April 100% bullish, and for May it is bullish to sideways. Okay, based on the seasonality. Until now, all the 4 months was worked on the dot. Now let's see how May is going to progress, because we have not started the month. So let's start from 1st of May. So now coming to the numbers, all the numbers are bearish. Now again I am saying, if you want to know how to trade this number, there is a video available on YouTube how to trade those numbers. If you want, you can go to my YouTube channel, go to playlist, and there is a video available on how to trade this number. Kindly go and watch these numbers to trade, how to use these numbers to trade. So now I'll explain a little bit. So now the market closed, the Nifty future closed below all these 4 numbers. In case if there is a gap up, if it again goes and touches here, rejected here, go short here with the stop loss of 54 points from this number. Unless and until if all the numbers are, when all the numbers are in red, there is no positional long. You cannot take positional long. Okay, you can do intraday, do whatever you want to do in intraday, buy at the low, sell at the high, do whatever you want to do. But positional long is not advised unless and until these 4 numbers are in red. Once 2 numbers come to bullish, it may be this 2 number or this 2 number or this 2 number, any 2 number comes to bullish, then you are advisable to take the positional long. Otherwise, intraday you can do whatever you want to do. Until these 4 numbers are in bearish, market tends to go down only, not going up. Suddenly tomorrow, let's say if the market is gap up somewhere here, again once it comes and touches this number, take the long entry here. Now this resistance will become support. Take the long entry here. Stop loss is from this number 54 points. Now Nifty is converged, Bank Nifty is converged on Thursday, so it has given 750 points on Friday. Now Nifty number converged, so possibility of 350 points in a single day in the next 2 days. This happened on Friday, so the applicable is Monday or Tuesday. So within the next 2 days time, possibility of 350 points. Since it closed below this number, I have mentioned in red color font. If it is closed above that number, I would have made it in blue color font. You need to understand it is bullish. Okay, so now based on this number, it closed below this number which is bearish, and it closed below this number which is bearish for the entire month of May as of now. Now the range for the week is here, the bullish range and the bearish range. For all the index I have already given, so kindly use it for your trading purpose. Again next week, once I think 1 second. Yeah, again on 3rd I will give you the weekly number to trade for the next week. You will get the daily update in the Telegram channel as well as to my group people. You will get the PPT every day without fail, even though I am traveling. Okay, that's my responsibility. So now when it comes to Bank Nifty, convergence is already over. 750 points done. Now only one number is bullish. So now in this case, if one number is bullish, again you are not supposed to take the positional long, but you can close your short. You can close your short. But we have taken the positional short in Bank Nifty yesterday. So we are holding our Bank Nifty short yesterday. Let's see how the market works tomorrow. And these are the spot numbers. And if you go and watch that YouTube video how to trade numbers, you will know how to use these numbers, and this number. That video covers all how to use all these numbers to trade. Okay. So now for the May month, maybe on whenever the May month starts, I think on first is holiday. So second, I will give this number for the entire month to trade. For the May month, I will give you the numbers. Now let's go to the combination index and combination stocks. So now in this week, it says mid cap is having the highest combination for this week. So kindly concentrate first on mid cap, second on IT, and maybe third on metals or PSU bank. But try to focus on mid cap. It doesn't mean that since I am having the highest combination, it is going to be bullish. No, it is not like that. Based on the price action, we will take the first 15 minutes low, high and low. If it goes above, we will buy. If it goes below, we will sell. So highest combination for this week is mid cap. Now when coming to stocks, the highest combination stock is SAIL. So when you are concentrating on metal, even metal is having the third highest combination, try to trade SAIL or try to trade Ind copper. So like this, you need to take it from year to year and trade all these stocks. So now Ind copper and Reliance on the downside, and then Chambal is always in our list. And SAIL for this week you can use it. So this is the combination thing. Now coming to the very important point that we don't know what's going to happen between India and Pakistan. Okay. So in case if you are a positional player, anything may happen because we don't know what time these people are going to strike or whether they are going to strike or not. We don't know anything. If you are in fear that suddenly there may be a gap down, then please don't take any trades home. Simply do intraday and forget it. If you ask me, I will go with my numbers. Whether Modi is going to do the handshake with Pakistan or he is going to send a message, I don't care. What I know, if my numbers are red, I am in bearish. If my numbers are in blue, I am in bullish. That's all I know. So based on the 15 minutes, as of now, it is bearish. Based on the 1 hour, it is bullish. I normally trade based on the 15 minutes fortune signals. Based on the 15 minutes, based on my numbers, as of now, it is bearish. I am holding short position. If it turns into blue, I don't care whether they are sending the missiles or not. Based on that, I am long. If it opens gap down, then I will close my position. But if you are in fear, first of all, reduce the quantity. Don't try to trade the quantity when there is uncertainty. Intraday players, for you, there is no problem at all. Let the market open anywhere, you can trade. But for the positional player, when there is an uncertainty, don't take the position home. Just give another 10 days to market. Let the market get settled based on this news, then come and trade. Otherwise, try to trade very small quantity. Don't risk your portfolio when there is an uncertainty. So once maybe after 10-15 days, when everything is over, possibility, in case if it over, then you can come and trade the normal quantity which you are trading every day. Unless till that time, reduce your quantity. Otherwise, no need to trade or trade only intraday and close your position. But I am a positional player. I will go with what my number says. If it is bearish, I will go short. If it is bullish, I will be in bullish. If they file the missile after I take the position, I don't care. Next day morning, gap down, down freeze, I will close my position and I will book my loss. So it is up to you how to trade in this kind of a scenario. So stop loss is must. So don't pray to God, that your number will come up and then it will go up and all that. So please follow the stop loss. If the stop loss get hit, kindly book the loss. First of all, kindly book the loss. This is what I need to tell you. So next 10 days I won't be there. 29th evening I am leaving. So I'll be seeing you on 10th of May. Unless till that time, goodbye.